And my mother used to sit at the piano. My father in 1921 bought her a book with Yiddish songs, which I still have, almost 100 years old. And my mother used to sit at the piano and play these Yiddish songs and sing them, and we would, my sister and I would sing them with her, Volkslieder. And my maternal grandfather, Saturday afternoon, all my grandparents' friends, my grandmother's friends would come to our house, and my grandfather would sing Liedermitze, you know, he'd sing, and so it was always there. It was part of my upbringing. It was part, not that it was imposed, but it was practiced. It was there.